Today we are going to make mushroom porcini risotto. Easy and really delicious. Let's get started. 20 grams of dried mushroom porcini dipped in warm water for 10 minutes. 1 garlic clove, 1 onion, 360 grams of arborio rice for risottos, 30 grams of salted butter, 30 grams of parmigiano, 100 ml of white dry wine, and 2 veggie stocks. Add the veggie stocks into a 1.5 litre pot of water. Add some extra virgin olive oil into a pan and stir fry the minced garlic. Then toss in the strained mushrooms and cut them up. Put aside for later. In a larger pan with 40 ml of extra virgin olive oil, add the chopped onion in a hot pan and fry. Lower the flame and pour the wine. Increase the flame and let it evaporate. Next, add the rice and stir till it toasts a little or has a shine to it. Lower the flame to medium and start pouring 2 large spoonfuls of stock, which should be at boiling point. Stir well, and when it starts to absorb the liquid, keep on adding the liquid stock. Continue this process as the rice cooks. Taste and add salt if needed. When the rice is al dente, add the mushrooms. Keep stirring and add the stock as needed. When the rice is ready, switch off the flame and add the butter and stir till it melts. And then add the parmigiano. Stir while the risotto becomes creamy. We are now ready to serve this delicious risotto for our rice lovers. Enjoy!